Let's learn how to use the word however. However is very similar to the word but. They both express contrast. For example, many people believe in everything they read on the internet. That's one complete thought. But is a connector connecting this complete thought to the second one. Much of the news published in social media is fake. Period. Now, we can replace the word but with however. We use a period, the word however, and then a comma. Many people believe in everything they read on the internet. Period. However, comma, much of the news published in social media is fake. Let's see another example. Susan B. Anthony was born on a farm, comma, but she moved to the city when she was 25. Again, but is connecting two complete thoughts. So what we do when we use however, we remove but and the comma and we use period, however, and comma. Susan B. Anthony was born on a farm, period. However, comma, she moved to the city when she was 25. And that's it.